Hello everyone. If you have landed on, I hope you have already subscribed to our website learn2upgrade.com. If not, please go ahead and do the subscription. In this course, we would be telling you how to become an affiliate and what is the affiliate program upgrade. And if you are not available with the firm term called affiliate, we would explain what does it mean. So let me go quickly to the sign up page first so that people who have not signed up yet go and sign up. So this is the learn2upgrade.com site. To sign up, you just have to click on the login, go to the sign up, give your name. I'm just giving generic names. The two the form might change slightly. It gets on changing uh, by the course of the time. Now this is the form filled. Now if you click on the sign up, you would be signed up to our website online2upgrade.com. Now once the subscription is done, you can go to my profile. Yeah. On the left hand side extreme below, if you see there is a dollar sign, become a partner. This is nothing but to become an affiliate with Learn to Upgrade. We will do explain what affiliate is. First, let's see how it goes on. So once you click on this button, you will get a pop-up. It is just an information what you are signing up for, what does the partner means and stuff like that. Now, if you accept, now there would be a particular email being popped up in your email. This, if you see this, there would be a congratulations mail to subscribe with the affiliate program. Now what does the affiliate program mean? I'll just brief you for like couple of seconds. So in the affiliate program, what happens is basically you get a unique URL on your dashboards, which we'll go through in the coming video. And so as soon as you share this particular link with the students or with any of your colleagues or any other means in the blogs, in your probably YouTube videos, or any place you would like to, so you can share this link. And for example, somebody has shared that link with me. I go ahead, I click, I just go and scroll the website. I actually do not do the purchase, so don't worry. We do track the users for around 25 days, in the sense of if they have opened a link, the Learn to Upgrade link, through the affiliate link you have provided, and after 15 days, if that user comes back again and he likes some course and he purchases it, it will still go to your credits and come to the dashboard that this particular reference is from your side. Yeah. Now, going back to the dashboard, let's open the dashboard. So this would be how it would look like once you have accepted it. You will get a tab called affiliate. Now, as of now, we'll just focus on affiliate links and we'll not focus on other parts of it. Now, in affiliate link for each course, you will get a particular URL. You can copy this URL, right? It's a long URL. If you want, you can go to Google and see um, there are websites which can shorten the URL. You can use that. You can copy this. You can circulate, do WhatsApp or whatever means you want to promote this for. Once somebody goes and purchases, right? How will you find out? So this is where you have to go. This is the reports section. Click on the reports, you go to the sales, you go for the date range, or you go to last 30 days. I'm just showing you the last 30 days. So this affiliate of which the dashboard is open, they were able to achieve total 8 transactions. Four were the successful transactions, right? Out the transaction amount is 1600 and the commission they got is 1740. Correct. So this comes to be 15%. So probably at that time it would be 15%. It varies. It sometimes go to 10%. So once you are doing the subscription, you come to know on that front. So this is how overall the affiliate program works. I hope this very short video have helped you to understand about the program. If you have any other questions, queries, you can do drop a note to partner@learn2upgrade.com, or you can come to our website. We are available on the chat, and we can help you out on the chat itself.